What's up, MOPAR fam? I hope everybody's having a blessed day out there. Today, we got a gorgeous day going on. We got something I think that's really cool inside the race trailer that we're about to pull out here in a second. This is gonna be another new project. This is gonna be a long project. This ain't gonna be an overnight, quick and done kind of project. It's gonna be a long project, but I came across a vehicle that I thought was just pretty cool and was screaming, do something with this, I don't want to give it away yet, vehicle. So I want to do something with this. So before we pull it out, you guys take your best guess of what you think it is. I'll give you at least one hint. It is not a truck. It's not a truck of any sort. So that might be a surprise because you know we do a lot of trucks on the channel, but it is not a truck. This is going to be coming literally out of left field, but it is MOPAR related. So I'll let you have that one, but take your best guess below before you see us roll it out. And it's going to be a little fun to get out because it's a roller. It's got 4 tires and a steering wheel. We got no brakes, no engine, no transmission, and I mentioned no brakes, and we also have no driver's seat. But we got 4 wheels and a steering wheel, so we're going to roll it out of the trailer, literally, and hope that it doesn't crash into anything when we push it out. But enough said, take your best guess, comment down below what you think it is, and let's get this thing out. So me and my son, we went about an hour away. It really wasn't too far from the house. And we went and picked up the new project yesterday. So let's get this thing out real quick and see if any of you guys guessed it right. All right, I'm gonna get my son to get in to this new project. Remember, there's no brakes.
We are the brakes.
Well, I'm going to be the brakes because you're going to be sitting, well, actually on your knees because there's no seat trying to steer this thing out. So get in and we're just going to let it roll out. I don't think we're going to hit anything. It shouldn't go that far, but
Jump out the way.
let's just let it roll out. Just try to stay straight so you don't take the cables out on the trailer. So.
Does it not have brakes?
No. That's right. Crawl in there. It's tight. Shut the door. There you go. All right, the wheels, turn the wheels to the left a little bit. Right there. All right. Keep it straight. I'm going to pull the wheel chock out real quick. It's pretty straight. All right. That should be pretty straight. All right, go to the right a little bit. Right there. All right, go slightly to the left. There you go. All right, here we go. Y'all take your best guess. Come on. Here she comes. Oh my God, look at that beauty. Hot dog.
Coming back forward.
Oh, it's trying to run me over. That is a beaut.
Fox body.
That's the beaut. Yeah, MOPAR Fox body. No. What we have here is an 87 Dodge Daytona Shelby. That's right. I bet nobody guessed it. 87 Dodge Daytona Shelby Z, to be exact. So, this is my $300 project car. Body is in really good condition. It's straight. Very little to no rust. Pretty solid car. All the glass is good. We don't have much, but we got 4 wheels and glass and a decent body. The paint's hideous, but I mean everything's there. All the tail lights, lenses, bumper, trim. It's a pretty straight, legit car. Oh, that door's locked.
Pop the hood down.
Or it don't work. But yeah. Pretty awesome. Let's go inside our driver door that does work. We got a sunroof. You know, that's cool. We got a flopping door panel. We got no driver's seat. So it's straight up bucket style right now, literally. It was looks like a factory stick shift car. We got no headliner. Ooh, we got rear sun visors though. That is actually pretty dope. I don't think I've ever seen that in a car anywhere. It's got rear sun visors, dude. Yeah, look, check that out.
Oh my god.
Is that not pretty cool? Oh man, it's got the seat belts that like everybody hates, the auto choke you out seat belts.
Oh god.
Yeah, I think so. No, I don't know. I could be wrong. I don't know. I'm learning this car as I go, man. I've never had one. I wanted one when I was young, but never had one. Dash looks like it's pretty nice.
It ain't cracked.
Yeah, I mean, the steering wheel's
engine.
surprisingly in better shape than like most things. Yeah, dash isn't busted.
The gauges look nice too.
Still has a factory Chrysler radio. Pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know. We might be able to keep that or try to use it. I don't know. We got, oh, that is our shifter. So the shifter's still in it. Got some more.
She's a good girl. She want pee and poop outside.
We got, dang, the rear seats look pretty gangster. They don't even look like they're tore up. Good rear seats. Leather looks like they're still nice. That's pretty cool. Don't know if we're going to use them. Might sell them. But yeah. Car had a clean title, which we got. Man, the glove box door even opens. Dang. They don't make stuff like they used to no more. Let's see, that must be fuel door. And that's the hatch, I'm guessing. That was fuel door there. Maybe rear hatch. Let's see if this guy opens up. Oh, check this out.
I wonder if it's
Pretty heavy. Does the struts hold it?
oh,
Pretty decent.
than I expected.
The right one is weak, you can tell. But hey, it's holding up.
That's better than nothing.
It's holding up. That's pretty awesome. Pretty dang cool, man.
Are you checking the car out too? Kept squeaking.
Yeah. Coco, my new pup, she come out here to check out the hot rod. Door, though, the fuel door did open up, so that still works. That's cool. Hot dog. There it goes.
Dang.
Well, I think we need a couple shocks. But hey, it opens. It opens. Oh, I should have unlocked this door when I was over there. And we need to pop the hood. I so want to see these headlights go boop boop. I don't care who you are. Headlights that pop up is pretty cool. Pop the hood, Dom. Let's go. I don't know. Couldn't tell you.
Oh.
Already open?
It's not even bolted.
Oh, it don't even have a.
The struts
Oh,
aren't even
the
bolted.
latch ain't even. Oh, the hood's not even bolted. Oh yeah. Well, guess it doesn't much matter if the hood's not bolted down, huh? Yeah, it's missing the all the hood hardware anyway, so
Yeah.
it probably had well.
don't matter.
There's the cable,
We'll
but
do hood pins, old school.
I don't know. It's probably has a release somewhere under there, but who knows?
We'll do some hood pins.
Man, that's a dang motor right there. I'm telling you,
Oh, the one down there,
got a horn.
dog power.
Yeah, we're running on one dog power. One dog power.
At least we got a steering rack.
Yeah, looks like pipe been solid on.
Oh, shit. Or brush up on your fabbing skills. Gonna be a lot of custom.
It's gonna be
fabbing and wiring. And
This is gonna be a fun dilly dally.
We got 2 of the 3 shock nuts, and
Yeah.
none of it.
We got a, yeah, we just got one sticking in there randomly.
There's a nut down there on the frame or something. It looks like it might be a shock tower nut. That one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's a bolt missing out of the steering rack too.
Awesome. So, we have no brakes, literally. Calipers are gone. Rotors are gone. There ain't even nothing on the back.
I mean, when you say roller, this is literally.
Yeah, I mean, it's literally the roller of roller, huh? Literally the roller of roller. All right, so there you go. That is the new latest and greatest. The car came up. I thought it was kind of cool, and I think we can maybe do something with it. I don't know. What I really wanted to do when I seen this car is, everybody knows these new Hurricane engines that's out. A lot of people are swapping them into stuff, swapping them into trucks, swapping them into Vipers. There's a lot of these Hurricane swaps going down. So when I seen this car, I was like, man, this thing would be awesome if you could put a Hurricane in it with a 6-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive swap it, obviously. I thought that'd be really cool. It'd basically be like the 2JZ Supra of the MOPAR world, you know, like the car they should have built back then when they made these cars. So that's kind of what I feel like I want to do to this car, what I'm really going to approach to try to make happen. I know that it's possible. People has already, like Gen 3 Hemi swapped them. I've seen some Magnum swaps into them. So, you know, the rear-wheel drive conversion and putting a V8 in it definitely can be done. People's done it. That's no doubt about that. I haven't seen one with a Hurricane in it yet. So we're going to do a lot of homework, try to figure out what we can do to make one work. But that's my ultimate goal for it, is to try to Hurricane swap it and rear-wheel drive swap it and just make it an awesome car. Worst case scenario, we can Hemi swap it. which that's not a terrible idea. V8 and a little bitty car, that's always awesome. And I've also seen people take like the SRT4 motors out of like the Neons or the Calibers and put them in there as well. So there's options. I want to hear what you guys think about it. Should we make a MOPAR version 2JZ car and do a Hurricane swap inline 6 with a stick shift? Should we do a Gen 3 Hemi swap with an automatic or 6-speed manual? Or do we keep it, say, a 4-cylinder car and we do an SRT4 more modern turbocharged engine and swap that into it? That would probably be the easiest thing to do, considering it's a front-wheel drive car anyways. But I'm really leaning towards the MOPAR 2JZ edition. So you guys tell me in the comments what you think, what you want to see, or what you think would be awesome and cool for the 87 Dodge Daytona Shelby Z. But the ultimate plan for this car is to try to build it so it's cool, it's fun, and it can kind of compete in all kinds of random different class racing. Drag racing, autocrossing. Like for instance, at Holly Mo Party, they have the Grand Touring class where they do the drag racing, the autocrossing, the Solemn, the 3S, all that stuff. That would be a cool car to do for that class. Yeah, that's kind of the idea for it. So again, you guys let me know what you think. Stay tuned. We're going to try to work on this thing, but it's going to be a slow project. I'm not going to rush this thing too much because we are actually planning on moving here soon. So this will probably be a thing where we kind of get the car cleaned up, gut some stuff that we don't need. We'll probably do some videos on that stuff soon. But when it comes down to the nitty and gritty of it, we're probably going to wait till after we move into the new house and have the space and time to really mess with it. But I couldn't pass the car up. I seen it, $300 down the street, hard to beat it. So I figured if I can do something with it, I might as well get the car. Worst case, get rid of the car, but I think we got a cool idea for it. But as always, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you liked the new project that we got. Now we got to figure out what to call it, what to name it, maybe what color to paint it, keep it red, change it, do something different. I don't know. Have no idea. This is a completely out of left field kind of project for me. So it's going to be a fun one, but it's going to be a lot of work. But as always, stay safe out there. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below what you think. And we'll see you guys on the next one.